we'll guide you through how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into your account. Once ChatGPT is open, look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see an option called Apps. Click on Apps and wait for the available integrations to load. Now, look for Canva in the list of available apps. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and search for Canva. Once Canva appears in the results, click on it. You'll now see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. A Canva sign-in window will open. Sign into your Canva account if you're not already signed in. After signing in, Canva will ask for permission to connect with ChatGPT. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. Wait a few moments while the connection is completed. Once the authorization is successful, you'll see a confirmation message showing that Canva has been connected to ChatGPT. You can now click Start Chat. As you can see, Canva is now linked and available inside ChatGPT. This allows you to access supported Canva features and workflows directly from ChatGPT without constantly switching between platforms. And that's it. That's how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more ChatGPT and Canva tutorials.